Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Profit Products. This is me, Luke Profit, coming at you with another video. It's going to be an unboxing video, nothing but unboxing, keeping it nice and short today. We got, probably saw by the title, 8 or so guest shirts. We got a mediocre item in the middle, still kind of hype, and then we got a GRAIL for the very end hockey jersey. Stay tuned. Let's get right into this. Alright, starting off, we're going to get through the guest shirts. First off, coming in from Kyle, we got the, try not to show off any names. Oh, I just did it. My bad. We got the Guess striped shirt. Boom. There it is, the Guess vertical stripes. Huge embroidery, Guess USA, Guess Jeans USA on the front. Not that bad condition. Thank you so much. Also, if you guys want me to keep the counter up on the right side, just let me know. Not too sure, or if I should just like add it in every video. Let me know in the comment section below, please. Up next, we got, coming in from David, also on Depop, is this blue vintage Guess American Guess knitwear with a huge spell out. Great print, a little bit of cracking on the white. Overall not bad. Got it for a good price. Thank you so much, David. And up next, coming in from Emily, also on Depop. Got a bunch of nice guest shirts for steals on Depop. Boom. Wow, look at those colors, amazing. I don't know if you know, this is the Guess times Sean Witherspoon shirt with the crazy color stripes. Great condition. The yellow embroidery. That is super sick. Thank you so much, Emily, for that. Don't know if I'm going to keep these all. I'll probably chuck a couple onto the web store, the Instagram. Link is down below. Up next, coming in from Mimi Fam from Depop. We got this another, oh, in a bag this time. It is a Guess. Take a guess. Oh, Guess Jeans USA times the Smiley collab and China, or maybe just the Chinatown Market. Just the Chinatown Market collab with the huge Smiley logo on the back, that embroidery on the front with the also little Chinatown Market badge on the side. That's also amazing condition. Thank you very much. Next up, coming in from Liana. I believe this is also from Depop. Wrong side. My bad. We got the Guess striped, but times ASAP Rocky this time, collaboration shirt. That is awesome. Size medium, I believe. Yes, fits a little bit bigger. Might just have to keep all these shirts. They're all just about a size medium to large. That is amazing. Super sick colorway. Embroidery on fleek. Let's go. Thank you. And one more Guess shirt to go. This one's coming in from Alan. Alright. So I got this one off of a trade of a guy from Instagram. Link will be up there, of course. Huge shout out. This is a vintage Guess striped shirt. Boom. 3 colorway, earth tony, super sick. It is a size small, made in USA with the vintage tag. Might not be vintage. Honestly, I'm not too sure. But nonetheless, a sick shirt. Thank you so much, Alan, for that. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, definitely not vintage. Definitely not vintage. But anyway, nonetheless, sick shirt. Still amazing. Size small. Fits like a medium. Woo! Alright, on to the mediocre item. Coming in from Make Out Motel. Possibly on Depop. Not sure if that's just their yeah, name kind of, yes. But we got these. Ooh, some nice wrapping. See that through the wrapping? Little vintage Polo Sport. Definitely not vintage, but it is a. Where is it? Where is it? Oh no, yep, vintage. Sorry. Boom. 1998. Ooh. Open de Mortier Tennis Edition Polo Sport. Has a little spell on the back as well. Size medium, made in Canada. That's awesome. Great condition. No cracking. Thank you very much. Alright, and last but not least, I'm not even the biggest hockey fan. I don't really watch it, never played it, never learned how to skate. No hate, no hate. But we got this wait, can I get the Zelda theme track, please? Thank you. We got this amazing killer coming in from my boys over at Lost and Found Manitoba. It is the Vintage Coyote alternate colorway jersey. That is amazing by Pro Player. It is a size large, has the huge embroidery, the nice desert mountains in the night skies on the bottom, embroidered lizards on the sleeves, and just overall great condition. This is amazing. I'm gonna try this on right now. One sec. Woo. That is amazing. Fits perfect. So stoked on this. This is going to the personal for sure. Thank you so much, Lost and Found, for this. And that's going to conclude this video. Thank you all for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment down, subscribe below, all that good stuff. Stay lit, have a good time. Good luck out there thrifting, and we'll see you all next video. Peace. Bye. Have a good day. Seriously.